Imagine running a real business without employees. No office, no staff, no meetings. Just you and systems. AI agents are turning solo founders into teams. Not someday. Right now. What if work could run while you sleep? What if selling took minutes, not days? What if one person could out-execute agencies? How are people doing this quietly? Which tasks are being automated first? Where does the money actually come from? Stay to the end for the full framework. You'll see exactly how it fits together. This is not about hustle. It's about leverage. AI agents are software workers. They don't just answer questions. They take actions in workflows. They research. They write. They summarize. They organize. They monitor. They trigger tools. You define the rules. They follow the system. The business runs smoother. Costs drop fast. Speed goes up. The key is picking one clear problem. Not AI consulting. Not content creation. A specific pain. A clear buyer. A proven budget. Think US-based small businesses. Local contractors. Real estate teams. Online stores. Medical offices. Law firms. They all pay for time saved. Now map the workflow end to end. Where does a lead come from? What happens after contact? What is repeated every week? What needs approval? What needs records? Write the steps on one page. This becomes your automation blueprint. Next, choose your AI brain. ChatGPT is a common starting point. It handles reasoning and language well. But the power is structure. Create clear roles. A research agent. A writing agent. A QA agent. A reporting agent. Each gets a checklist. Each has strict boundaries. Now connect the system. Zapier is the glue for most stacks. It moves data between apps. It triggers actions automatically. A form submission starts the chain. An email creates a task. A spreadsheet updates a dashboard. A document gets generated. An invoice can be created. Now store everything cleanly. Notion works as an operations hub. It holds SOPs. It holds templates. It holds client status. It holds deliverables. Your agent pulls context from it. That prevents messy output. Now build one simple offer. Keep it narrow. Example 1 is real estate listings. Agent drafts listing descriptions. Agent writes neighborhood blurbs. Agent suggests photo captions. Agent creates posting schedules. You review in minutes. Example 2 is e-commerce research. Agent scans reviews. Agent flags repeated complaints. Agent compares competitors. Agent proposes bundle ideas. You make faster decisions. Example 3 is local lead follow-up. Agent drafts reply emails. Agent schedules reminders. Agent logs conversations. Agent updates the pipeline. The business feels staffed. Now choose your pricing model. Services work best first. Sell outcomes, not hours. A monthly package is simplest. Predictable work. Predictable revenue. Stripe handles subscriptions easily. Gumroad works for smaller digital offers. Both reduce admin work. Now acquisition. Most solo founders lose here. Agents help consistency. They generate content outlines. They write scripts. They extract clips. They repurpose posts. Pictory AI turns scripts into videos. 11 labs can voice the videos. You stay faceless and consistent. Midjourney can generate clean visuals. Your brand stays coherent. Now the discipline part. Automation needs guardrails. Never fully automate promises. Keep human approval points. Check outputs daily at first. Build a feedback loop. What failed? Why it failed? How to prevent it? Update the prompt. Update the checklist. Update the template. That's the compounding advantage. Also be careful with trust. Don't pretend a human wrote everything. Be clear when needed. Protect privacy. Store client data safely. Use least access permissions. Start with one workflow. One offer. One client. Deliver fast. Document the process. Then expand. Add a second agent role. Add a second workflow. Raise price with reliability. This is how one person scales. Not by working more. By designing better systems. Mid-video note. If this helps, subscribe and tap the bell. You'll catch the next breakdown automatically. Now the long-term view. Agents will become more autonomous. Coordination will improve. Voice commands will run workflows. Solo operators will look like companies. The real mode becomes judgment. What to automate? What to keep human? What to measure? What to ignore? Keep your stack simple. Keep your offer specific. Keep your feedback loop tight. That's the play. One person. Systems for labor. AI agents for execution. You remain the strategist. Next video goes deeper into real workflows. Pricing, delivery, and acquisition. Weekly uploads for builders who want leverage. Subscribe and ring the bell. Don't miss what's next.